Welcome to ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning Path. We will now create a cut at the end of the right-hand beam using the Notch tool. The Notch tool will work with concrete beams, columns, pad footings, continuous footings, panels, walls, and slabs. Go to Home tab, Edit Concrete Elements, and click on Modify tool. In the Common tab, click on the Other button, then select the beam and pick a point in the middle of its end face bottom. You can use the help of different snap settings to assist with picking appropriate location. With the Notch window open, make sure you are in the Rectangular tab first and have a look at the available settings. They influence the positioning of the notch on the element. You can now accept the placed notch with a green check mark in the window. For this exercise, however, we will change this to a radial notch. So undo the element modification you have just done and open the Modify tool and Notch again. Select the same element and point as before. Go to the Radial tab and input the following dimensions: radius 1 foot, height 1 foot, angle 90 degrees, and make sure the position is set to following: width middle, height middle, depth middle. Now go to Position tab and change the Y-axis rotation to positive 90 degrees. Accept the modification. You have now learned how to place notches in elements within ProStructures.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.